Channel. Today we have a new theorem for you. So this question is very important theorem for you. So let's come we start. Theorem number 9.3 from class 10, all boards related theorem. So perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to chord bisect it. Very important theorem. Perpendicular drawn. First of all, we are according to the theorem perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle. So to bisect the chord means their bisect are equally distributed. We want to prove this one. So first of all, we draw the circle. This one is the circle, and we take one of the circle. O is the center, and we take and chord. Chord is we take in here P and Q. What is chord? The end point, two end points lies, and any circumference of the circle is chord. That is called chord. Now, according to the theorem, perpendicular drawn from the chord. If this one is perpendicular, we give the name, and here R. OR is perpendicular to the chord BQ. So that is given. We take a circle with center O and draw perpendicular, and OR is perpendicular to the chord PQ. Now we want to prove this. This point OR is perpendicular is divided. This parts is equally into two parts. From here PR and QR. So now to prove. PR is congruent as QR. This is the line segment QR. So now construction is required because one of the triangle is required, and here to compare each of them. So if we are connect their radii of this triangle, this will be radius and this will be the radius, because any point which cut the circumference of the circle, just only one point from the center of the circle is called radius. So now in construction we join center O with P and Q. Proof. Statements and reasons. There are two triangles we get. One of them is OR. This one is 90-degree right angle, and similarly in here is this one is also right angle. So we get two triangle. We are comparing triangle ORP, and triangle ORP is 1 to 1 corresponding triangle ORQ. and here we are writing, because we are, this notation is represent one-to-one correspondings, one-to-one correspondings. And first step, if look here, OR is common in both triangles, so we can write OR is congruent and OR, so that is already common. Similarly, if we are compare their angles, so angle ORP is congruent angle ORQ. So this is, each is 90 degree. 90 degree means right angle. ORP is equal to measurement angle ORQ, which is right angle. Similarly, if we are compared to their radius, OP is congruent as OQ, radii of the same circle. Both are radii of the same circle. So it means that here we get one side and angle and also another sides. So but here is used right angle triangle, so here we are using RHPS. So triangle ORP is congruent triangle ORQ. So right hypotenuse side postulates we can use, because right angle triangle hypotenuse side we can also, it means that therefore hence we can say that PR is congruent as QR. That is the corresponding sides of congruent triangles, which is the required proof. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.